Was or were? Are you confused when to use was or when to use were? So welcome back to your own channel guys, that is Subject Savali, and today we are going to clear your confusion when to use was or when to use were auxiliary verb. So let's understand first the basic concept behind its uses. Okay, so here you can see when to use was or were, we have to use it always when our sentence is in the past form. When to use was when our noun, right, when our noun is singular or our pronoun is singular. For an instance, subjects like I, she, he, it, or any name means Reena, Rita, Rahul, Ram, any one name can come, we have to use was. But when to use were, when our noun is plural like Reena and Rahul. So here two persons came together, right? Come together. That's why we use were. Rahul and Rita were. But if there is one name like Rahul, then we use was. Okay. What does it mean actually? Rahul tha. What was Rahul? So Rahul was an engineer. Rahul engineer tha. But if I say Reena and Rahul were engineers, so Reha and Rahul engineers the. Okay. But if we talk about pronoun, then they, we, these pronouns represent more than one people. That's why these are plural pronouns and we use were with these pronouns. And you also know, if you don't know, let me tell you, you have some special place in our modern English. That's why we always use were with you, not was. Okay, but with I we use was. I think now the concept is clear when to use was and when to use were. Let's go and fill our blanks. Here you can see our first sentence is last winter dash so cold. So last winter थी वो बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी थी. Last winter बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी थी. Here you can see winter, we are talking about one, right? So with singular noun we always use was. So last winter was so cold. Second sentence is what dash you doing at 9 p.m. yesterday? कल तुम 9 बजे क्या कर रहे थे? Here you can see our subject is you and you have some special place in our English, modern English grammar. So we use were. What were you doing at 9 p.m. yesterday? Third sentence is it. It, as you know, is our singular pronoun. So with it we use was. So it was very windy on Sunday. संडे को बहुत ज़्यादा विंडी था. विंडी मतलब कि तेज हवाएं चल रही थी. ओके okay? उसके बाद आता है फोर्थ सेंटेंस व्हेन आई डैश 12 years old आई वॉच्ड स्कूबी डू ऑन टीवी. स्कूबी डू इज़ आर कार्टून, राइट? सो स्कूबी डी देखा करता था मैं टीवी पर जब मैं 12 साल का था. हियर आर सब्जेक्ट इज आई एंड वी आई we use was because it's singular pronoun. Now let's talk about there dash about 300 people at my sister's wedding. So there represent more than one people, so we use was. ठीक है, there was लगभग 300 से या तकरीबन 300 लोग मेरी बहन की शादी में थे. Where you yesterday? You have to see the subject and you have to feel was or were. Now you have to do it in your comment box. Thank you.